What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Crypto Chat. What's up, Crypto Nation? I'm back making some videos. Today, let's just go over some really fast. I want to go over some crazy cool news. So yesterday or 2 days ago, whatever it was very recent. The SEC has made it a regulatory body that's going to monitor ICOs, going to regulate it, and going to warn and watch about pump and dump schemes, okay? So we're not going to see things like OK Cash going up 164% anymore. We're not going to see all these coins, every day there's a coin that just gets pumped into oblivion. Not oblivion, but into the heavens, you know what I mean? So we're not going to see that so much anymore because they're going to start cracking down on that. It's essentially insider trading, which is illegal in the stock market, but this ain't the stock market, folks. This is the wild, wild west of cryptocurrency, and they're starting to regulate it. And a lot of people are not going to like that, but I personally enjoy it because one, it's not the right article from the other day, but this is this is legitimization. It was unregulated in China, and then boom, just taken away. Regulated in Japan, it's flourishing. Regulated in Korea, it's flourishing. And regulating to be here, and it's going to flourish. I'm telling you right now. So that's very cool that the SEC has finally taken the steps to start regulating Bitcoin and cryptocurrency in general. And I just think we're going to see good things come out of this. Next, Overstock launches an SEC-compliant ICO platform. So that's really cool. Overstock.com. They've taken Bitcoin they've taken Bitcoin as currency since 2014. I've actually purchased something off of Overstock.com. It's a little thing that makes draft beer with Bitcoin. So that's very cool. Very, very cool. And now they're getting into this. Their stock price is going up, and this is really, really cool news. Great for Overstock.com. Boo Amazon. I mean, everyone loves Amazon, but I don't like Amazon. If Amazon starts taking Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever, it's over, guys. Amazon is the new Skynet. Okay, it's gonna be over. Is what I'm telling you. It's the future. Anyway, kind of off topic there, but really cool. Overstock.com is doing this, and ICOs. We're not gonna see crazy ICOs anymore, but it's gonna start. It's going to start. And the last big news I want to say is Bitcoin ETF going off the chain. 2 new Bitcoin ETFs have been submitted to the SEC for approval, which is cool. And you can go to Cointelegraph.com and read all these articles, by the way. Great source, great source. So 2 new ETFs have been submitted to the SEC by approval from ProShares Capital Management. And to my knowledge, they've never submitted an ETF before. Once before by the Winklevoss. I think the Winklevoss twins actually did this twice, but I think it's 2 or 3 times that the Bitcoin ETF has been shut down and ignored by the FCC. I mean the SEC. And investors should only consider an investment in a fund if he or she understands the consequences of investing in Bitcoin and future contracts, exposure to Bitcoin, and in the case of the future investment fund, the consequences of seeking daily inverse investment results. So yeah, this is for people that don't understand Bitcoin, that are not comfortable with the whole wallet, that don't understand your private public key. It's not for us, you guys. I mean, if you want to go invest in ETF, do whatever you want. I mean, it's up to you, of course, as always. But this is more for the people that don't have that tech savvy knowledge and don't know how to handle, don't know how to store, don't know how to protect their Bitcoins. So for me personally, I like to own a Bitcoin versus an ETF because you're owning the real thing, the real McCoy. You're owning the real thing. And although it's risky as stuff and it's volatile as hell, and you're going to lose a lot and gain a lot, and it's going to go up and down all the time, an ETF is a much more conservative option in my opinion. So that's very cool. If this gets approved, expect Bitcoin price to just shoot to the moon. And a lot of people investing in this ETF early are going to make a lot of money. And brings my last thing I want to talk about, the market. We're at 143 billion. For the last 10 days that I haven't really been making videos, we saw nothing really. It's just stagnation. We're at 120, 130 billion. Not much going on. You can just see in the chart, we kind of hit the lows of 120, and we're steadily coming back up now. But before that, it was very, very stagnant. Not much going on whatsoever. If this computer can load 1 month chart, which it finally did, there we go. But from over here, we've been just kind of stagnant in this area, the 120 to 130 billion range, and we're breaking out of that right now. So we'll see how long that trend continues. To me, it looks like a bull trap, but hopefully it's going to be a nice bull run. So let's go back to the top 100 here, and everything has gone up back from last time I was here. We were at 3,600 for the Bitcoin. We're back in the $4,000 range. Ethereum almost back at $300. Ripple staying strong. Litecoin came up a little bit. All the coins have come up nicely, but if you look at our biggest winners today, I believe Walton is still #1. Chainlink, which I've heard a lot about, is up as well. Mobile Go, which I haven't heard nothing about, is up. EOS coming back from the dead, being resurrected from the ashes. And Steam coming back with Steam is just a cool trading coin, guys, because it's $1. It's $1 to $2 range. So if you buy it at $1.01, you just made 39% in like a day. Okay, you get what I'm saying? Very cool. But the market seems to be coming back a little bit. There's more movement in the market. The trading volume is up to about almost 5 billion now, when it was at 2 to 3 billion in the last week or so. So that's very nice to see. We're seeing more influx of cryptocurrency despite the whole China debacle. And that's all I wanted to talk about, guys. Just finally, there's some worthy news to cover in this crypto space. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope I added value, and hope you were informed and learned something today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Give me a like, comment, subscribe at the bottom. I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.